Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing and preparing the audio. Trim to 5-10 seconds, then convert to MP3 or M4A so Android recognizes it. Once done, open your file manager and copy the file into internal storage right arrow notifications. Make sure it's not inside a hidden folder. You should also check file permissions so the system can read it. If you prefer per contact tones, create a copy named clearly. Now that the file lives in the notifications folder, move to System Settings to assign it. Now you assign the tone in Settings. You go to Sound and Vibration, then Notification Sound, and tap the list to find your custom file. If it's not visible, use Add Sound or My Sounds to browse internal storage right arrow notifications. Once selected, the system will index and apply it. For per contact sounds, open Contacts, edit the person, tap Notifications or Ringtone and choose your custom file. Make sure to save changes, then send yourself a test notification to confirm the selection took effect. Finish by testing. Send a message or use a notification test app and confirm the sound plays at expected volume. Also check Do Not Disturb. If the tone doesn't appear, reboot the phone and try moving the file to internal storage right arrow ringtones, then reopen sound settings. If Android still won't list it, clear the media storage app data or force a media rescan. That prompts the system to reindex audio files. If problems persist, confirm file format and permissions, then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.